Hello everyone, welcome to the fifth video of Object-Oriented Programming Basic Concepts in C++. So today we will cover one of the most crucial topics in Object-Oriented Programming concept, which is inheritance. And then we will see the types of inheritance and we will discuss about the single inheritance in today's video. Now, what is inheritance? Inheritance is a process in object-oriented programming by which a class, which is called derived class, can inherit data members or methods from another class, which is called base class. And its classification is it's of four types, which are single inheritance, multiple inheritance, multi-level inheritance, and hierarchical inheritance. So we will discuss only about single inheritance, the most fundamental inheritance in today's lecture. Very simple program is written here. At first, I have declared a class which is named as base, and where in the public region I have a data member x initialized with 10, and then I have a method display which just prints the statement displayed. Then the another class which is named as derived is derived from the class base, and the syntax for deriving any class is class, then the name of the derived class, then a colon, then the access specifier, and at last the name of the base class. Now there is not any rules that you must name the derived class as derived or you must name the base class as base. There is not anything, any rules, but I have written this for following the conventional rules just for learning purpose. And in the derived class, I have another variable y initialized with 30 in the public region. So now the derived class has control over the members of base class and the members of this class itself. So it has now the control over y and x and display, these three members. So now let's see how we can access them using this derived class. At first, we have created an object of the derived class, and by using the object using the dot operator, as we accessed the members in the previous videos, previous lectures, just like that, we can access the data members easily using dot operator. Like here is cout and d dot x means the x of the object of derived, which is d, and we and I previously said that the derived class has control over x also because it derives from the base class and x is member of this class base. So we can easily access the x from by using this derived class. Similarly, we can access the method also d.display, and similarly we can access the y variable which is itself part of the derived class. Okay, and we can also access the y using same process. Now let's run this program. Sorry, I forgot to insert the endl, and here is also endl, and in the method display method, so enter. And if we run, then we get the proper output. At first 10. Why 10? Because the d dot x and x, the value of x is 10. So the 10 is printed. Then d dot display method is called, and inside the method I have printed displayed. So displayed is printed, and then at last the y, the value of y is 30. So the 30 is printed. So this is the fundamental concept of inheritance, and this is also a single inheritance because the derived class inherits features from a single base class. So when the class inherits features from a single base class, then it will be called single inheritance. So this is the definition of single inheritance. I hope it's completely clear to you. And that's it for today's video. Thank you.